Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best handheld sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DUTISON Handheld Sewing Machine, Home Handy Stitch for Clothes Quick Repairing with 24 Accessories. We have a handheld sewing machine from DUTISON. The unit is very easy to use as it is automatically moving by line with a flat edge. Not only professionals can use this machine, but beginners can also use it. Furthermore, it is equipped with 2 power modes. Besides that, the unit is lightweight, which is very easy to carry wherever you want. This machine is powered by a DC 6V power adapter or 4xAA batteries. However, you need to buy the batteries separately. The materials that can be used with this product are wool, jeans, drapes, leather, hem pants, holes, rips, clothing, toy crafts, silk and more. Adding to that, the thickness of the material should be less than 1.8 millimeters. Package comes with a long stick, sewing needles, instruction manual, bobbins, measuring tape, threader, and scissor. Finally, it is small, and suitable for daily mending. Moving on at number 4, we have the Chriffer Handheld Sewing Machine, Cordless Stitch Quick Repairs Fabric Leather Denim with Extra Bobbin. One of the high-quality handheld sewing machines is Chriffer. This machine is perfect for the novice and beginners. You can use this sewing machine to make aprons, gloves, handkerchiefs, clothes and more. It is also ideal for patchwork, craft, and embroidery. The fabric that it can be used with is silk, jeans, denim, clothing, leather, drapes, hem pants, toy crafts, hole rips and more. Furthermore, it can be used to sew curtains too. Plus, the thickness of the fabric that you are going to use cannot exceed 1.8 millimeters. It is very easy to use it as it moves automatically. It has 2 power modes. This machine can be used with DC 6V power adapter and 4xAA batteries. However, these will not be included, so if you want to get it, you have to buy it separately. You can also use it as a gift for a friend or family. Lastly, it comes with 1 scissors, measuring tape, spindle, 9 needles, safety pins, and a manual. At number 3, we have the W-Dragon Handheld Sewing Machine. W-Dragon is another top-rated handheld sewing machine that will amaze you with its benefits. It is small that could easily fit in your pocket. Furthermore, it is compact and lightweight. It is also portable, which takes less space and is also very easy to carry around with you. This machine is perfect for beginners and kids to use as well. If your shirt or pocket gets torn, you can alter, fix or mend in it on the spot. Additionally, it is powered by a DC 6V 600 mAh power adapter and 4xAA batteries, but it will not include. The thickness of the material that you are going to use should not be over 1.8 millimeters. Besides that, it can be used with materials like craft, wool, silk, leather, denim and more. It can be used to sew wall hanging and hanging curtains too. Last but not least, you can use it to make gloves, handkerchiefs, aprons, and cloths. This machine is perfect to use at home or traveling. At number 2, we have the Jeteven Handheld Sewing Machine Cordless Small Handy Stitch Handheld Sewing Machine for Fabric Clothing. Jeteven is one of the outstanding handheld sewing machines on that market. It is small that you could hold it in your hand. It is also very easy to use and control. Furthermore, it is lightweight and portable, which is very convenient for you to carry wherever you want. You can use this product as a gift for teens, moms, girls, family, and friends. The material that can be with this machine is denim, leather, silk, jeans, hanging curtains, wool, and craft. Furthermore, you can use it to repair ripping bedding, clothes, and drapes without needing to take it off. Plus, the fabric thickness cannot be over 1.8 millimeters. In the package, there includes extension spindle, scissors, safety pins, bobbins, sewing needles, measuring tape, and threader. And finally at number 1, we have the Singer 01663 Stitch Sew Quick Portable Mending Machine. Singer is one of the remarkable handheld sewing machines. It is a single-thread sewing machine. It is lightweight, portable and easy to carry around. In fact, it is very tiny that you can put it in your pocket or your bag. Furthermore, you can move it around your home since it does not use a cord but AA batteries instead. You can use this machine as a present to gift girls, moms, friends, and family. Adding to that, using this could save you a lot of time and faster than using a needle. It also could save you a lot of money. Plus, you can fix, mend or alter your torn clothes on the spot, too. In the package, there includes bobbins, needle threaders, instructions and thread spindles. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.